The library search is very simple to use. Just type in a few keywords and you'll see plenty of results, both physical and electronic, that you can use for your research. However, there's so much information on the search results screen that it can seem a little overwhelming at first. Don't stress over it though. Let's look through the search results screen to help you make sense of it all. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Enter some search text and press enter or click the magnifying glass icon. For this example, I'm going to do a search for plate tectonics. The search results screen is separated into two main parts: catalog items in the middle and tools to refine your search on top. The search results you see are presented in a format that's kind of like a normal internet search engine. However, instead of links to websites, it shows links to items in the library catalog. The top entry is what the catalog software thinks might be the most relevant given the keywords you entered. If your keywords match the title of a journal, book, or other publication, you will see that listed at the top in a separate box called a placard. This can be really helpful, but it's still a good idea to look through the search results to make sure you find what you want, not what the catalog thinks you might want. Scrolling down shows a list of scholarly sources related to your search, just like what you see here. Many of these can be accessed electronically, but some are physical items you can get at the library in person. If you aren't quite finding what you want, you can revise your search using the text box at the top to add more keywords, delete all the keywords and start over, or use the filters beneath the box to show only certain types of items in the results. There's also an advanced search link if you want to get very specific with your searching. But these basics are all you need to know to get started. There's one other thing to know about the filters. Whenever you perform a search, several filters are automatically applied in order to limit your search to what's actually available in our collection. When you see that some filters have been applied automatically, even though you didn't do anything, don't worry. That's just the library catalog functioning how it's supposed to. Finally, you can click the link in the top right corner to sign into your account with your OKey credentials. This gives you access to some useful tools on the search results screen. For example, after signing in, you can click the bookmarks icon to save search results, kind of like saving internet bookmarks in your web browser. This is a great way to gather a variety of sources when doing research. You can use your profile menu to return to these saved items later when you have more time to really look through them. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.